Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today we are discussing an edition launched in 2021 in stainless steel. This is a 100-piece limited series of the Glashütte Original Senator Excellence Perpetual Calendar. So 100 pieces with salmon dial, blue accents, and a stainless steel case. 42 millimeters in diameter, just 13.2 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip. 48.9 millimeters with a 21 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. Looks and feels spectacular, though it is a large watch for a dress timepiece. My wrist is probably fine for this. My wrist is 16 centimeters circumference, but I probably wouldn't recommend this for a wrist that's smaller than mine. Taking a look down the barrel, you can see the lugs are within the bounds of my wrist, but I don't have a lot of clearance. And you can see over the top, I'm pretty much pushed to the limit, but it is thin enough that it could slide underneath a dress cuff. So don't give up on that. This is still an elegant formal watch for formal attire and long sleeves. The clasp, like the watch, is steel. Twin trigger release, so you press each trigger. You got to press them both for this to open up. Internally, you can see it's a double fold from Brogioli, longtime supplier to Glashütte Original. Double fold, quite secure when closed. Combination of satin and polish externally. Rolling around to the case, as is usually the practice on dress watches from Glashütte Original. We have lugs that are stepped out from the case band, but they're not quite the vertical notches you find on a lunga. You can see there's a little bit of an inward cant to that seam. And then we've got a rather dramatic instance of a bezel being set below the peak of the lugs of a watch to allow for a thinner watch with broader, taller lugs. Lug hoods are polished. We have very soft bevel on the sides of these lugs, and then you can see we've got satin finish down the sides. It is a modular complication. You can see how low the crown is set on the case band, and then the pusher adjusters for the calendars are above the plane of the base movement. We have a bezel. It's got a vertical lip, a conical profile, and a flange, abutting very gently cambered sapphire crystal. The watch does feature hacking seconds, a moon face with an adjustment interval of once every 122 years, and a perpetual calendar system with our day, double-digit date, and month, plus leap year cycle. This does not need to be corrected until the year 2100. Pour-style hands with a counterweighted lancet-style seconds hand with the Glashütte Original logo as the counterweight. This watch made in Glashütte, Germany, by the oldest continuously operating German watch brand since 1845. Fun fact, the original A. Lange und Söhne is actually this company, not the one that uses the name. Taking a look at the dial now, we have a chemin de fer, or railroad track outboard, for reading our seconds and minutes. Then we have these lovely applique blued radially arrayed Roman numerals, including a watchmaker's 4 that's been slightly cropped by the double-digit date. And then you can see, likewise, the 8. We have concentric patterning inside these two circular subregisters. And then we have a white on blue base for the calendar indicators. I love these aperture style calendars. I find them much easier to read than pointer style perpetual calendar systems. On the back, this is really what makes a Senator Excellence different from a Senator. We have this incredible base, which is the 36. This is the 36-12 version of it, automatic winding, with at least 100 hours of power reserve. That's how it's advertised. A 4 hertz beat rate, 6 position adjustment. This goes through a 24-day in-house test before it departs the factory, and it comes with a clearance certificate that is part of the boxed set of this watch. You can see right here, we've got a silicone hairspring. The caliber 36s were the first application of a silicone hairspring on a Lange watch, so highly anti-magnetic. You can see we've got engine turning on the base plate, we've got stripes on the bridges, we've got bevels, we've got mirror polishing on screw heads, as well as the swan's neck fine adjustment mechanism and the stud holder. We also have this incredible solarization on the reduction wheel of the winding system, ball bearing rotor. We also have blued screws, so you can see we have both polished screws, but then we've also got fire blued screws. You can see a lovely solarization on the ratchet wheel atop the balance. It is a good looking movement, very accurate, better than a 4-day power reserve, highly anti-magnetic, a perpetual calendar, hand adjusted, 24 days tested, 49 pivot jewels. Very sophisticated. Now you can also see on the case back individual numbering, and although it's not quite obvious from the case back, it is 50 meters water resistant. But with a push-down crown rather than a screw-down, I still recommend you do not take it swimming. A lovely piece if you want something German, artisanal, rare, and very precise. With complication, reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.